What is going on, guys? We are on the way to
SeaWorld!
Let's go! It is about 25 minutes from our hotel. And yeah, when I get there, I'll record some more stuff for you guys. And happy anniversary, mommy!
Baby.
What is going on? We are here at the entrance. Gonna go ahead and get in here. What's up, everybody? Are you guys excited?
Yeah! Just on all of them. Yeah! Timber, they're gonna have the face right. Grayson! I do.
Hey there, military zone seat. You're at the correct place. Oh, here? Yeah, cool. Let's go. Oh, sorry, that one? Two. I don't know which two I got there. Okay, three. Yeah, I must have gotten the first two. Good, fine. Come on, Arrow, Ethan. And then Alan. Thank you. Win!
Alright, here is the show for today. We want to do the whale, the orca, and we want to do the dolphin for sure. Okay, let's go. Let me see. Let the camera see, guys. Let the camera see.
Go, babe, put your hand
Alright, so
Daddy, go like this. Clean your dad's skin.
we have little fish. You can touch them.
They clean your dad's skin.
Oh, there's sucker fish. Can you go put your hand in there? Put your hand in there. They don't hurt. Look. Phil, get your hand in there. Yeah. Go like this. Bring him in. Go.
Want anybody getting hurt? Thank you so much.
Say hi, camera.
Hi, camera. Hi, camera.
Again, similar, we don't want anybody.
Put your hand in there.
Touch them, Kylie.
You get it? You didn't touch it up. Bro, you hurry up. They soft, bro. Leave it there, leave it there. Jenny, don't touch it, Jenny.
Okay, thank you.
It sucks on this one?
Yeah. Helen, let me see you. Put your hand in there.
Just one time. I hold your hand. Let me see. Let me see. Baby, it's okay. It's okay. Pickles, there's no
Okay. Do you have fake snow going on right now?
Yeah, baby.
T-O-Y?
That's like,
It's snowing. Pop it. Oh, they got the turkey leg right here. I'll be back.
Look at how my dad's skin is blonde on my hangnail.
Got popcorn. You did promise him you're gonna get him some.
alright, fine. You want to get it now or when we leave?
You want it now or later?
Now. I want now.
Way good.
Yeah.
Pick one, okay.
I just want one right now.
Okay.
What turtle?
Jason?
Which one do you want?
I like cereal.
Sea lions.
Sea lions, bye-bye. Oh.
You see the sea lions? The sea lion, baby. Yeah, so the parking seems a little bit packed today, but when you come in here, it's really big, so like it doesn't feel congested. Oh, look at him doing a slide. That was cool. Look at this little bird right here. Look at, that's a grouper and a sea turtle. Come on, get in the front. Look at the turtle and the fishes. Oh, that one was sleeping, chilling? Yeah, look at here. Yeah, so much turtles here. Oh, little guy's sleeping right here. Look at that. Yellow amberjack. So when you come, make sure you download the app. It literally tracks you live where you're at, and you can like navigate throughout the whole park through your phone. You can actually search up the show that you want to go to, and it will basically give you directions. It's pretty neat. So we got us some beignet. Let's see what this is about. It looks really good. Here you go. Look at that. That's really good. All right, come on. Get down, get down.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, come here, guys. Oh, shoot, sorry. Let me get some napkins. You guys grab one.
Oh, I want to eat some.
What is
Here,
that?
Ethan.
Is that chocolate?
Hold it.
Is that chocolate?
Yeah, it's like chocolate foam.
Look, ice cream. I wish I had a free bag of shit. Egg them up. Oh. Napkins. We have napkins.
Mmm. Ethan, get down. We are at the penguin exhibit.
One penguin
Look at
had
that.
a doodle on his butt.
Don't say that.
Do. Why he have a doodle?
We are going through the penguin.
I wish they had like an egg so I could see. I wish they had. Jason! 1, 2, 3. Say cheese.
Pika pika pika.
The girl, they don't want to take this.
So they have Arctic Rescue, which is the roller coaster ride, and they also have Arctic or Wild Arctic, which is the exhibit. So we park our stroller on the side and we'll go ahead and go in. Let's go, come on. Excuse me, sir.
Where are you going? Okay, fine. The polar bear's gonna take you. Okay. Jason, don't go too far.
He's right there, you see it?
Oh. I told you.
Call the whale, Colin. Beluga whale?
Oh, look, there's a seal.
It's a beluga whale.
Right there, over here. I see it. There's another one?
There's a seal over here.
Oh, that's a turtle. Oh, it's a rock. Ha 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 ha.
See, I have a video of it right now.
Do you?
It's right there, see?
Colin, call the whale. Ooh, ooh,
Oh,
ooh, ooh.
I see it.
Ooh, look, look, he's gonna spray water. He's gonna spray water.
Oh, see, look.
How cute.
This is a sea otter.
What animal is that?
Mason, say hi.
What?
Ariel, say hi. Manera, say hi. Okay, let's get off.
Oh my god. Where do you go?
Big ol' walrus. His name is Dozer.
Dozer? Wait, Dozer?
It's not gonna fall.
How do you?
Oh, he's trying to eat him. We are doing the Orco encounter. Should be a fun one. Yeah, we're going down.
Okay.
Wanna go right here?
Okay.
And we are live. Yeah. Okay, oh yeah.
Or present. Or the armed forces of our allies from around the world. So please rise and remain standing. Here's to our heroes.
Yeah, they got 8. Look at, look at, look at, look at, look at. Gaga, you see it? Vanessa, where are you going? Oh! He did the front flip.
We'll learn more about them today. As trainers, we spend years developing relationships with our whales. This creates trust, allowing us to while this is visually stunning, it actually allows us to wear whales about once a week.
He jumped out there, Kylan.
We can playtime is a great time for us to build our relationships with the whale, and we love sharing these relationships
Waddle,
with
waddle.
them and with all of you.
Oh! You don't need it?
Surfing in a wave.
Oh, what happened? That's it, no more. No more? Then no more, baby.
It's done. That was cool, huh? Look at Mama.
He threw a backflip.
Enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld San Diego. Bye, everyone.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.